Let's explore the Amazon rainforest. Hi, explorers! Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, a world of unparalleled beauty, mystery, and life. Known as the lungs of the Earth, this incredible ecosystem is vital to our planet and home to some of the most fascinating creatures, plants, and cultures in the world. Chapter 1. Where is the Amazon rainforest? The Amazon rainforest spans over 5.5 million square kilometers, covering 9 countries in South America. Brazil holds the largest share, but it also stretches into Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. To put it into perspective, it's so massive that it could fit the entire United States inside with room to spare. Containing 10% of the planet's known biodiversity, the Amazon is the most diverse rainforest on Earth. Chapter 2. Wildlife of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is full of vast variety of animals. From jaguars to parrots, the Amazon rainforest is full of life. Let's learn about some of the amazing animals of the Amazon rainforest. Number 1. Jaguars. The Amazon is home to the majestic jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. Known for its powerful bite, it can crush the skulls of its prey and even hunt underwater. Number 2. Amazon river dolphins. Under the river's surface lives the Amazon river dolphin, also known as the pink dolphin. These playful creatures are known for their unique pink color and intelligence. Number 3. Sloths. Sloths, the slow-moving icons of the rainforest, spend most of their lives hanging in trees, moving at a leisurely pace to avoid predators. Number 4. Poison dart frogs. On the forest floor, you'll spot poison dart frogs. Their vibrant colors are a warning sign. They carry toxins strong enough to harm predators. Number 5. Parrots and macaws. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredible variety of parrots, including macaws, parakeets, and Amazon parrots. One of the most iconic is the scarlet macaw, with its vibrant red, blue, and yellow feathers. These intelligent birds are known for their loud calls, strong beaks, and social nature, often traveling in pairs or flocks. You might spot parrots at clay licks, where they eat mineral-rich clay to neutralize toxins found in some of the seeds and fruits they consume. This unique behavior is vital for their survival in the wild. Number 6. Toucans. Then there's the toucan, famous for its oversized, brightly colored beak. This bird uses its beak to pluck fruit from trees and even to reach into nests for eggs or insects. Despite its size, the toucan's beak is surprisingly light thanks to its hollow structure. Number 7. Hummingbirds. The Amazon is also home to tiny hummingbirds, some no bigger than a human thumb. These agile birds flap their wings up to 80 times per second and can hover in place while sipping nectar from flowers. Number 8. Hoatzins. And let's not forget the hoatzin, sometimes called the stink bird. Young hoatzins even have clawed wings, which they use to climb trees. Number 9. Harpy eagles. Above the canopy, you'll find the harpy eagle. Its talons are the size of a grizzly bear's claws, perfect for catching monkeys and sloths. The harpy eagle, a true apex predator, dominates the skies. With its massive wingspan and sharp talons, it's one of the most powerful birds of prey in the world, hunting monkeys and sloths in the canopy. Number 10. Snakes of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is also home to some of the world's most fascinating and fearsome snakes. One of the most famous is the green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world. These massive creatures can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh over 500 pounds. Despite their size, they are excellent swimmers, often hunting in rivers and wetlands for prey like fish, caimans, and even capybaras. Another iconic snake is the boa constrictor. Unlike venomous snakes, boa constrictors rely on their powerful muscles to constrict and suffocate their prey. They feed on birds, rodents, and small mammals, ambushing their prey from trees or the ground. The Amazon is also home to venomous snakes like the coral snake. With its striking red, yellow, and black bands, the coral snake delivers a potent neurotoxic venom. However, it's not an aggressive snake and typically avoids humans. The bushmaster, another venomous species, is the largest pit viper in the world. These nocturnal snakes are well camouflaged and rely on their heat-sensing pits to detect prey in the dark. Tree boas, like the emerald tree boa, live high up in the canopy. With their vivid green coloration and white markings, they blend seamlessly into the foliage. These snakes are ambush predators, lying in wait to grab unsuspecting birds or small mammals. With their incredible diversity and adaptations, snakes are vital to maintaining balance in the Amazon's ecosystem, playing key roles as both predators and prey. Number 10. Monkeys of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 60 species of monkeys, each adapted to thrive in this lush and dynamic environment. Let's start with one of the most acrobatic residents, the spider monkey. With their long limbs and prehensile tails, spider monkeys move effortlessly through the canopy, leaping from branch to branch in search of fruit, seeds, and leaves. Next up are howler monkeys. One of the loudest animals in the rainforest is the howler monkey. Their deep, resonant calls can travel up to 3 miles through the dense forest. Howler monkeys are primarily leaf eaters, and their slow metabolism matches their laid-back lifestyle. Then there are capuchin monkeys. Capuchin monkeys are known for their intelligence and tool-using abilities. These clever primates often use rocks to crack open nuts or sticks to extract insects. Next up are squirrel monkeys. The tiny squirrel monkey, weighing just about 2 pounds, is one of the most active and energetic monkeys in the Amazon. Tamarins and marmosets. Tamarins and marmosets are some of the most striking monkeys in the Amazon. The golden lion tamarin, with its fiery orange fur, is a symbol of conservation efforts in the rainforest. And let's not forget the piranha of the Amazon River. The Amazon River is home to the infamous piranha. With over 30 species of piranha in the Amazon, the red-bellied piranha is perhaps the most well-known. These fish are recognizable by their sharp, triangular teeth and powerful jaws. Chapter 3: Flora of the Amazon. The Amazon is also home to over 16,000 species of trees and countless other plants. The Amazon rainforest is often called nature's pharmacy for a good reason. Its plants not only support the vast array of life within the forest, but also provide critical resources for humans around the world. Let's learn about some of the amazing trees and plants of the Amazon rainforest. Number 1. The kapok tree. One of the most iconic trees in the Amazon is the kapok tree, also known as the ceiba tree. This giant can grow up to 200 feet tall and provides shelter and food for countless animals, from monkeys and birds to insects. Its roots, trunk, and branches are like highways for wildlife in the canopy. Number 2. Rubber tree. The rubber tree is another vital species in the Amazon. Its sap, known as latex, was historically used to produce natural rubber and played a significant role in the Industrial Revolution. Even today, it remains an important resource for sustainable industries. Number 3. Brazil nut tree. The Brazil nut tree is a cornerstone of the rainforest's ecosystem and economy. It produces large, heavy pods containing edible nuts. Interestingly, only agoutis, a type of rodent with strong teeth, can crack open these pods to access the seeds, making them essential for the tree's reproduction. Number 4. Medicinal plants. Many of the Amazon's plants have incredible medicinal properties. The cinchona tree, for example, provides quinine, a key ingredient in malaria treatment. The curare vine has been used for muscle relaxants, and other plants are being studied for potential cures for cancer, diabetes, and more. Number 5. Orchids and bromeliads. The Amazon is also home to a dazzling variety of epiphytes, like orchids and bromeliads. These plants grow on other plants rather than in the soil, using their host trees for support. Bromeliads even create tiny ecosystems by collecting rainwater in their leaves, providing habitats for frogs, insects, and other small creatures. Number 6. Victoria amazonica. On the Amazon's waterways, you'll find the Victoria amazonica, the world's largest water lily. Its massive leaves can grow up to 10 feet in diameter and are strong enough to support the weight of a small child. These incredible plants play an essential role in the aquatic ecosystem. Number 7. Strangler fig. The strangler fig is one of the rainforest's more unusual plants. It starts life as a seed dropped high in the canopy and grows downward, wrapping itself around a host tree. Over time, it can completely envelop and outcompete its host for sunlight. Number 8. Rainforest canopy and forest floor. The Amazon is often described as having layers. The canopy, where sunlight is abundant, hosts most of the trees and epiphytes. The understory is shaded and home to smaller plants and young trees. And on the forest floor, where only 2% of sunlight reaches, fungi and decomposers thrive, breaking down organic material into nutrients that feed the entire ecosystem. Number 9. The wondrous fungi. Speaking of decomposers, fungi are unsung heroes of the rainforest. They break down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Some fungi even glow in the dark, creating an otherworldly effect on the forest floor. From towering trees to tiny fungi, the Amazon's plants play a vital role in sustaining life. But they're also a source of inspiration, medicine, and wonder for the entire world. Chapter 4. History and Tribal People. The Amazon has been home to humans for over 11,000 years. Indigenous tribes like the Yanomami, Kayapo, and Ashaninka have lived here in harmony with nature, using the forest for food, shelter, and medicine. Even today, an estimated 400 indigenous tribes call the Amazon home, each with unique languages, traditions, and knowledge of the forest. Chapter 5. Threats to the Rainforest. Sadly, the Amazon faces many threats. Deforestation for agriculture, cattle ranching, and logging has destroyed large areas of the forest. Over 17% of the Amazon has been lost in the last 50 years. Fires often started to clear land, spread uncontrollably, damaging fragile ecosystems. Illegal mining also poisons rivers with mercury, endangering wildlife and people. Indigenous tribes fight tirelessly to protect their home, but they need global support to save this irreplaceable ecosystem. Chapter 6. Why the Amazon Matters. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen and stores vast amounts of carbon, helping regulate the planet's climate. Without it, the effects of global warming could become catastrophic. Chapter 7. How you can help. We can all help protect the Amazon by supporting sustainable products, donating to conservation organizations, and spreading awareness about its importance. The Amazon rainforest is a gift to humanity. Protecting it is not just the responsibility of those who live there. It's a global effort. Together, we can ensure that this natural wonder thrives for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.